Okay, that's it.
Hey, this is Cece. And I'm gonna nominate the people below, which is my friend Sandy, my friend Mariah, and my mother.
I'm gonna nominate Esau, Daddy, and Bella.
Oh.
Really? Oh, man, that's so much fun tossing this on.
All right.
Already?
Ready?
1, 2,
Oh my God!
Is it cold?
Is that one way different than the other one, Sabi? There's a lot more ice in that one.
Okay, 1 minute. Good. 1 minute is good.
I don't like this.
Yeah, I'm going to edit it down anyway.